Hello everyone. Today I like to introduce the setting method of washing machine. Turn the washing machine off and then on. Long press the up and down keys in the countdown interface. Type in the password. And you will enter the setting interface of the washing machine. Move the cursor to enter the machine setting and machine function setting. Whether manual intervention is allowed during automatic. Can be customized freely according to different conditions. Whether there is skipped step in the automatic program. Can be customized freely according to different conditions. The countdown starts when the temperature reaches and we choose yes. In the liquid level and water adding setting project, the zero reference liquid level is set to 0 cm. And the low liquid level, medium liquid level, and high liquid level can be set freely. Whether to use automatic water replenishment can be set freely according to different conditions. Whether to enable intelligent heating water can be set freely according to different conditions. Whether temperature and heating settings can use automatic heat supplement can be set freely according to different conditions. The soap solution setting and the soap cup working mode are continuous. We set the minimum level of soap solution to 0 cm. Soap 1 runs for 30 seconds. Soap 2 runs for 30 seconds. Soap 3 runs for 30 seconds. Soap 4 runs for 30 seconds. And Soap 5 runs for 30 seconds. After all the items are set, we return to the Start interface. The setting method of the washing machine has been explained.
Splanny.